Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again. Today is a very amazing, and today I'm going to show you how to open or sign up for a Trust Wallet account. Okay, so those of us into cryptocurrencies and Web3, so this is the best app that you can use to buy and hold your coins or your tokens or your assets. Now you can see over here I'm on the platform Trust Wallet platform. There are different wallet that you can use to hold your cryptocurrencies. But basically, I'm on a journey to show you most of these wallets, and I'm beginning from Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet, if you want to um, download this Trust Wallet on your mobile phone, let me talk about this very well. It is available on App Store and Play Store. So you can have access to it on your App Store and then on your Play Store. Now the best thing to do is right now check at the description below. Okay, the link is there. Tap on the link and then download the application right now on your phone, and then you start with the experience. Now let's go. Now it says true crypto ownership and powerful Web3 experience, just like I said. So you download the extension. If you are using your laptop, then you have the extension. Okay, I'm using Chrome, so I prefer Chrome. Or if you have the mobile phone, you go to the mobile phone, which is the mobile app. You can get it on App Store, which is the iOS for the iOS. Can get the app itself, the Android APK, and then can get it on Google Play Store. Or you can use the QR code to scan, and then you are good to go have it on your phone. Needed over here. So I have the extension already. Okay, so now let me go to my extension. I already have the extension right now, so I'm going to my extension to open it over here. Now, so this interface is what is going to pop up. Okay, so you have to click I have read and agree to the terms and conditions sheet. Okay, so this is what is very important. Now, if you are new to this wallet, you have to create a new wallet. And if you already have a wallet, you have to also notify that you already have a wallet. Since for the sake of the video, I have to go to create new wallet for you to get much understanding of it. Okay, I recommend using password. So here you are going to create a password. So let's say I create my password. Make sure you have a strong password. Make sure your password is very strong. You enter. You know the interface is your password is ready. Okay, so your wallet is ready, brain, and your wallet is ready. Now this is what you have to do. Slide into the panel. Guide me. Okay, so you can come here. You come here, you're gonna see it over there. So for that, I've already done the extension. So I'm trying to use my new account. Okay. Now this is what you have to understand very well. After you are done creating your account like this, you head to the top over here. Since you are using a laptop, this is a laptop interface. What you are seeing over here is a laptop interface. But if it would have been a mobile phone, if it was to be on our mobile phone like this, we will have our secret face first before we head to this interface. But since it's it's a laptop, we have to, after creating the account like this, you have to go to the backup. You have to click here, backup your secret face now. So you come here and then you go to the secret interface to have your secret face. Now you click on show. Okay, so this secret interface is 12. Okay, you just have to type in your password for the sake of this video. That is why I'm doing this. Okay, so this secret interface is what is written over here. Make sure you jot it down. Don't store it digitally. I repeat, don't store it digitally. I mean, digitally means don't put it on your phone. Don't type it on your phone, but rather get a pen and a paper, a sheet of paper or a book or a jotter, and then write it down, because it's very needful. When this keys interface get lost, all your access in this wallet will be lost forever and you'll never find it anywhere again. I repeat, if this secret codes get lost, it's 12 words. Back up safely these 12 words in a piece of paper and never share it with anyone. This is your secret. If someone have access to it, that means that the person is having access to your wallet anytime. This one, you need to store this and then click on proceed, and then you insert them over here. Since I didn't store it, I have to go back. Okay, then have to show it. I'm not interested in storing this one because I already have a wallet that I use, a main wallet that I'm using. So I'm going to add my main wallet to this one, because I'm going to add my main wallet to this one. Now this is how it is. As soon as I click, I already have a wallet. Okay, this is what it will pop up. The wallet has to be is either Trust Wallet Mobile, MetaMask, Phantom, Coinbase. All these are wallets that can be used to store your cryptocurrency, and I'm hoping to do videos on this for you guys to understand. Now, if you don't understand anything about how to store cryptocurrency or how to buy your first crypto, just check my YouTube channel. I've done videos on that, buying cryptocurrency on using your Trust Wallet directly, and then also transferring currency from your Binance or Bybit account to Trust Wallet account. I've done videos on that. You can check it on my YouTube channel, and then you're good to go. Now, this method, it says select a method. So this is what I'm going to do. Is either I import the secret phrase they gave us, the one I just showed you, the 12 keys and the 12 words. Either I use that or I'll import with a QR code from my mobile. Okay, so right now I have the key, the phrase over here. I am going to type them inside, and then my wallet will be opened. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to cut this phase off so you guys will not have access to my wallet. I beg, let me cut this phase off